Now let's look at how can we use message templates with our widget. Here, when you are in our widget, you need to go there, message templates, and create a message template. You need a name, then some text that you need. You can add any file, you can use masks if you want, you can add emoji if you need, then save it. Let's create another one. Creating and saving. Then go to your lead, to your contact, to the chat with the person who you want to send, if you want to send his template. Then you can go and to Whatcrm web, and here you can send the message with two options. First, of course, it's here. You need to use template and use from how many you have. For example, this. And also, if you press slash on the keyboard, also you can select it here. Very easy and fast.